Okay, sorry this was in 2 clips. We had a few technical difficulties. Let's take a look at number 12. For number 12, the given information that angle A is equal to 38 degrees and 40 minutes, which will give us some good practice because we did degrees and minutes earlier. So if we have 38 degrees and 40 minutes, we need to convert that into decimal form before we can put it into our calculator. So 38 degrees and 40 minutes is equal to 38 degrees plus 40 minutes. What you have to do is we know that there is 60 minutes in every degree. So 38 degrees and 40 minutes is the same thing as saying 38 degrees plus 40 divided by 60 is 0.6 repeating. That's now in degrees. So your answer is 38.6 repeating degrees. All right? And that's what they give us for angle A. All right? So let's take a look. The sine of A, so if we look over here, the sine of A is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the sine of 38.6 repeating is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 42.5. Cross multiply, the opposite is equal to 26.6, which means this over here, A is equal to 26.6. All right, let's find B. We'll use angle A again because we're going to have to talk about the angles in a minute. So the cosine of angle A is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the cosine of 38.6 repeating is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 42.5. Cross multiply, and you get B is equal to 33.2. We now have all the sides of our triangle. The last thing that we need to do is we need to find out what angle B is. This is going to take a minute because we want angle B to be in degrees and minutes, just like it was given in angle A. So let me show you how to do this. If we sum the angles of our triangles, we are going to have 38 degrees and 40 minutes plus angle B plus 90 degrees, that's angle C, is equal to 180 degrees. So we're going to add this up. 90 plus 38 degrees and 40 minutes gives us 128 degrees and 40 minutes. Now, what we're going to do is because we need to subtract that from both sides, plus angle B, all right, we need to subtract 128 degrees and 40 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to break 180 degrees up. We're going to break one of those degrees up into minutes. So I'm going to have 179 degrees and 60 minutes, okay? You'll see why I did it in a second, because now we're going to subtract 128 degrees and 40 minutes. Okay, 60 minus 40 is 20. So, and 179 minus 128 is 50 degrees and 20 minutes. And we solved that last triangle. All right? So what's most important on your homework, write these trig functions down and just play with them. If you don't have enough information, pick a different trig function. All right? And so let's try these. Your homework is going to be page 577, 3, 7, 11, and 13. Now don't forget to check your answers in the back of the book because I gave you the odd problems. So if you have any questions, you can just ask me. All right, have a nice night and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.